Let's go. Okay, it should work this time. Am I streaming? I hope I am because I am seeing a thumbnail right now. So
Yep, you are.
yeah, let's go. Hello everyone, it's your boy Abdullah Muti. Just call me Muti in short, and welcome to the stream. And today we are going to look back on what we have done so far on our mini farming game, and we'll see what are the current bugs, and we will look into the future to list bunch of things we are going to do, like new features and stuffs that we have to include in our game. Hello Synergy, thank you for joining us. Also in Discord, thank you for joining. So I'll not be blabbering alone. That's good to have you. And let's go to our gameplay and let's see what are the current issues here. I hope my voice is clear and the background music is not too distracting or too loud. Okay, so by the way, if you see a banner on top and you see a little pixelated chicken, I drew them using a sprite. My initial plan was to make the game HD 2D, like in a 3D world you will get 2D chickens and 2D objects, but then I stick to 3D. I don't know why, but it looked good, so I just stick to it. So the first issue is it's showing $9.99, like infinite money. It shouldn't have been. So yeah, I already wrote it down. Fix the amount in the main gameplay. Fix the amount of total money. Thank you Synergy for informing that, and let me know if you have any tips to make the stream more chill and relaxing for you. Like, you should fall asleep while you are watching the stream. That's how I intend to stream, just do coding and relax and talk about relaxing. No pressure, we came here to entertain. Yo, thank you, man. I'll send you a picture. Like, I will send you the photo of my desk, so you will understand how stupid it looks from behind the scene. Okay, it's cool from this angle, but it's super messy if you see it in IRL. Okay. Anyway, so we did that, and another issue we have here, that the UI is not visible enough to understand that this one is clickable and this one is not. So we need to fix that. Okay, our chicken grew. If you did not know, the chicken, I added this new model recently to let the people know that the player know that the chicken is grown and it will lay eggs. So an issue here is that currently the game is very unbalanced and it lays too many chickens. Oh my god, a fox took my chicken. Fuck. I shouldn't have cursed, but fox is a fox. Let's say chicken grows up too fast. Chicken lays eggs. I think, is it going to be lays or lay? Is chicken a collective noun here or just a noun? chicken lay eggs very often. And what else is the issue? Okay, let's see. And another issue I was aware of, okay, let's go to the sandbox, which is, oh my god, the sandbox is broken as well, so we need to fix that. Let's fix the first problem here, the amount. The issue is in the UI. In the UI it says infinite money, but it's not. So let's find that number panel, total money panel, and it should be 0. And in game manager it should be 0 as well. And if we go to our scene here, our sandbox scene, okay, we're at our sandbox, and in game manager it should start with a large amount of money, so we can experiment here. What the I don't feel good about that number. Let's do can I, if I do this? No, sure, whatever. Let's play again. Sneaky, yes, the wolves, the fox are very sneaky. I want to add more adversaries here. Apart from fox, I want to add more predators that is going to harm your chicken, but I haven't figured out actually what. So there we go, we have a lot of money. And okay, so one issue that I am aware of here is if I drag from the UI and drop, it aligns properly. But if I drag it from an outer world and it doesn't, rewater in the coop here, so see, only when I add another chicken it gets rewatered. It shouldn't be like that. So if I do it here, it will rewater, but it should rewater properly. Rats could steal eggs. Yeah, that is a good idea, not gonna lie. Add rats to steal eggs. Also, I thought of another thing, that if you don't collect egg for a long time, eggs turn into slime, or like a zombie egg, and the slime will devour other eggs and chickens in its path. That way it will force the player to take care of the egg very fast, or just remove eggs. It's actually for performance, because one of my friends played this game and he laid so many eggs that game crashed. So I want to make sure that the egg doesn't live long in the game. And another issue, something slimy might be cooking. Right, another issue I have is that I cannot drag this chicken over the fence here. If I bring it from UI, it will just push it back. Oh my god, no, Foxy, no. Swiper, no swiping. I need to add Dora. Dora and Monkey. Oh, what was his name? Boots. Dora and Boots. Okay, so the issue is if I put a chicken from the UI, it will push back nicely. But if I want to put it like this way, it doesn't work. So it's not the proper way here. Proper way of doing chicken management. Okay. So it's a bit work with the collisions, I guess. So I'll add here dragging chicken from world poses wrongly push away, wrongful push away. Okay. After chicken, what else we have as an issue? Let's put a egg collector here so that it doesn't populate too much. Okay. Okay, so another issue is this not this here. It's a guard cat that it scares away the foxes or any predators. But the mechanic is it sleeps all the time and suddenly wakes up for 5 seconds and fights. Oh, no, you see that it did not work because it was sleeping, and the player doesn't know when it's sleeping or when it's not sleeping. And this is a siren cat. It plays siren when there are foxes in the vicinity. So when it plays the siren, it should wake up the nearby hunter cats. Let's call it hunter cats. I wanted to make it sound like samurai cat, but hunter cat works as well. So when siren plays, it should wake up and do its duty properly, but we haven't did that, so that's an issue. So we'll add visual elements to let player know that it's sleeping. Hunter cat is me. Aren't we all? I love sleeping, man. I could sleep for like 12 hours straight or more than that. I want to sleep all day. Sleep is salvation. Sleeping is salvation. We have, okay, so no, it's sleeping. Siren cat or sniper cat. I want to give guns to the siren cat if we add upgradability and stuff. So let's call it sniper cat. Sniper cats. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button here. Sniper cats siren should wake up nearby hunter cats. Cool. And it's not clickable right now. Like if I click, you can see it's it has this squishy effect, but this too doesn't have it. So I want to have it the squishy effect too, and when it clicks it will wake up. So wake hunter cat clickable, and clicking hunter cat should wake it up. Great. What else we have? This is an issue. So this is a firecracker. Oh my god, can you hear the siren? Can you hear the siren? Please tell me you can hear the siren. They stole 2 of my chicken, but this is how the chicken plays the siren. It's like it's Chernobyl, like it's Chernobyl. When Fox comes in, it's Chernobyl, and the cat goes crazy. It plays the siren. I can put another cat here, just in case. I'm not trying to play, I'm just listing the vulnerabilities that I'm aware of. Oh, literally, it's the Fox apocalypse. Fox apocalypse, chicken apocalypse, I don't know what to call it. Like, I should get a better sound. And speaking of sound, we need to add sounds. So I think the scope for sound should be a bit light. So still, let's say add SFX and sounds in game. It's a broader checklist if you ask me, because there's no sound right now. And after sound, we can also say make proper visible icons for the game, because currently these icons aren't good. They are just downloaded from the internet. I just cropped it with the snipping tool, not even downloaded. Also, the zoom is not correct. If you see, if I try to zoom, the camera just goes down. It doesn't zoom to the point where I'm hovering. Okay, it just goes down. I don't like this behavior, but I haven't heard any complaint about it as well, so I don't know. I'm not sure what to do with this. Oh, the fox comes again, and he stole 2 of my chicken and 3 of my chicken. Let's put a trap. Having a big loss in my chicken farm here, in my business. The fox. Oh look, my chicken rotation has changed because this cat saved this chicken from the fox. What the cat doing? The cat was sleeping. Oh, another issue I forgot to tell is we have no model for the fireworks, and I'm not sure the firework is a good unit here. Like, I haven't seen anyone use fireworks, so I am thinking about removing fireworks from the game, or just keep it. Okay, so let's say rework not fireworks, it's firecrackers. Yeah, fireworkers, and model for firecracker and sound for firecracker. Okay, what else we can do, or what else we have? I think that this, if I fix all these are pretty good. they'll add pretty good features. But more bigger scopes are adding more lands and purchasing lands, like in the mobile game, because currently this is a very small farm and you have stones to clean, like Clash of Clan. If you played Clash of Clan, And can I remove this? Oh, we can remove everything. Cool. That's cool. I think I will delete this guy. Oh, I saw another bug. I found another bug. If I click this and I click this, the UI is not changing. That's an issue here. Whoa, if I click this and this, and if I click this, both of themselves. Nearby cat is somewhere. Okay. So fix UI issue of cleaning the obstacles and get obstacles and reducers cleaning. Now feels like I'm doing my own QA, engineering. And what do we have here? Why is it like green? It shouldn't be green. It shouldn't be green. Why is it like that? I think the model somehow went under it. We need to fix that. Let's add it to the list as well. Let's say fix the mid processor model. Okay. That being said, we have listed a bunch of things we need to fix. Oh, another fox is coming, but no worries. These are the things we need to fix, and I have a bunch of ideas. The things to add. Things we need to add. First, we need to how do I put it? Okay, so currently there's no definitive upgrading system in the game. If you click in this UI, you will see there's there's issue with this UI as well. So many issues, so bad game, very bad game. Okay, so there's an upgrade button. It should increase the productivity and reduce cost per second or whatnot. It's like having a build on your farm, right? But I want to remove it from here, and instead of that I will add some kind of roguelike element. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Where was I? Okay, so instead of upgrading from here, instead of upgrading from here, we will have cards. We'll have cards that will প্যারা নাই, আমার কোনো ভিউজ নাই, বাজাও সমস্যা নেই। We'll have cards pop up in your view, and you will get to pick one upgrade out of 3. Like, hey, do you want to upgrade your chicken, or do you want to upgrade your cat, and something like that. And the way I want to do that is there will be specific buildings that you need to renovate or invest in. Like if you invest in let's say a laboratory or a school, then you will get upgrade opportunities for upgrading your chicken, or farm, upgrading your farm, like, you know, science, Mr. White science shit. Okay. And if you invest money on, let's say, military academy or factories, you will be able to get cards for military cats like the hunter cat or the siren cat. If you upgrade the varsity, you will upgrade your merchant cats and stuff like that. Okay, so this is my plan. I'm not sure if it's a good one, but it's kind of a big plan. But before I go there, I need to fix these bugs. And very important is that I make proper UI elements here, because I need to make sounds much rich. Yeah, it's a bit, you know, elevating the expectations and making the project very complex. This is how I sabotage myself, and eventually this will go on hiatus again, because I am touching this project, I think, after a week or 2, and I am trying my best not to put into a backlog of my hobbies. Add tutorial. But before tutorial, these things need to be fixed. These are important. And after tutorial, I think I can go to H1, go open beta. I can go open beta. Then I will add to do, let's say I will add card based upgrades, add buildings to invest in to get upgrades. What else? Oh, add first enemies. Add more enemies. I have thought about alien ship, slime, bear, wolf. And recently you gave me the idea of a rat. I think rat is a very good idea. What else we can do? Add prestige system. Add endgame. Add achievements. Oof. So many things to do, yet so much little our lives are. Let me get a sip of my, what is it called, Slytherin water cup. Ah, remember guys, always stay hydrated. Drink as much as water you can get. And my name was used to be drinking water, but still I can remind you of drinking water during stream. I hope I can do that. So as per our agenda, we have a list of things we need to do. We need to fix this thing, and we already fixed the amount here, but it's only in sandbox, I think. Did I fix it in the main scene? Let's see. Let's go save. No, I haven't fixed it. Oh my god. Are we not in sample scene? We are in sample scene then. Oh, we were not at. We are at sample scene, but we thought our sandbox is a sample scene. Let's go to canvas again. Where are my number panels? And this is going to be, let's give 8 nines. Let's save it. Okay, 8 9. Also let's put 8 9 in our game manager. Let's say 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, done. It should work now. Yep. I don't care if it overflows right now. If it overflows, let's go to sample scene, and in the game manager, let's give it a 0, and in the canvas we go to the number panel, and in total money panel we make it 0 again, and if we play, there we go. So we fixed all of our problems here. Very good. And chicken grows too fast. This is not very important, but because it's so very easy to fix, I'll fix it. Let me just I don't think you can see my wait, can I? Yep, you can see the asset manager because of my stream layout, but it's not important for the viewers. But what I'm looking for is prefabs. I forgot everything. Here, and in prefab we have the chicken, and for chicken we have this data. This chicken data holds everything, like the time to mature, what would be its production interval, at everything. But looks like it's not following this. Is it following this? I don't think it's following this. Let's try. Let's buy a chicken and let's see how much second it takes for it to go mature. Let me open my phone and open the stopwatch and start. Oh, it's kind of working actually. It's actually working properly, but 5 seconds is a long time, but it's also breaking the game. So let's give it 20 seconds, and in production interval should be 15. Yeah, it should be slower. I made it fast. earlier because I needed to test if it's working properly. So let's see if it takes 20 seconds now. Yep, I think it's working now. Now it won't grow up as fast as it was doing. This one grew up because I was clicking on it. So if I, oh, let's sell this. Let's sell this again. If I click this chicken, it will go faster. And I think this is taking twice as much time for the click, which is good. Come on, grow up. Okay. And let's say, okay, it's taking a long time to lay eggs as well, which is also good. Now we cannot spam eggs, I think. But still, I think the egg is taking too much time. I think, let me, I shouldn't be generous about this. Let the player suffer, okay? So let's give it 30 seconds. And production should be 20 seconds. So for 20 seconds, you'll lay an egg. Perhaps. I think this one is done. Add rats to steal eggs. This is a good thing, but let's add it to future scope. And if you don't collect egg for slime, this one is also for a bit future scope. So let's add it here. Oh, not here. Here. Okay. And dragging chicken from the world causes wrongful push away. Puzzle elements to let player know that you're sleeping. Sniper cat sign should wake up near hunters. The game make proper visible icons for the game. Rework firecrackers. Fix UI issue of cleaning the obstacles and producers. This is oopsie. This is a, let's search for a bug. Okay, this one. This is a bad bug. Like, it's very bad, as in game breaking bug. How do I say? Threat level dragon. Okay. Fix the meat processor model. This is like, I'll touch this one because it should be easier to fix. Let's go to prefab. Chicken meat processor. Here we have the chicken meat processor, and all we need to do is this model, I have to raise it a little, so let's give it 0 and let's go to play again. I need to go to the sandbox because I don't have money here. So meat processor, yep, it's fixed. It's fixed. So fix the meat processor. Okay, done. Proper visible icons for game. This will take long. Like, I have to draw stops. That will take a long time, and this will also take a long time. I think I should be working on this. Fix UI issue of cleaning the obstacles and producers cleaning. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit tricky because I have a very complex and dirty code here. I threw away all the principles of clean coding I had, and no, first I'll make it work, then I will do the refactoring bullshits you have. So where are we? Obstacles, right? So in the prefab env, and we have an obstacle, and remove obstacle. Whoa, we had 3 viewers just now. Someone came, saw the stream, and I think he left as well, he or she. But good thing you came. I think you had some amazing time for a few moments. I'm stuttering a lot. I think I need to stream like 20 more times to not stutter anymore. Okay, so on click we have event bus calling. This obstacle is selected, but we also need to know when we are not deselected. Okay, event bus removable obstacle deselected. We need to call this when if we click a different obstacle, or let's say a different producer is the other game objects that we have, like the chickens and the farms, the cats. If we click them, we should deselect the obstacle as well, but we're not doing that currently. So when we are doing producer selected, let's say where we're doing that, here, okay. Event bus producer selected this producer, okay. And another one is where producers game manager selected producer, okay. So so we're calling this twice. Why we're calling this twice? I don't think we need to call it here. We're calling producer selected once in this function, then we're also calling it from the game manager. Let's say if it's breaking or something. It shouldn't break, but why did I do it twice? That I don't remember. It's working. My bad. Let's click you to raise you, and if you are raised, and yeah, it's working. But it's not working when I'm going from here. But if I change obstacles, it's working.
Somebody else joined.
Hello.
Whoa.
YouTube. Kire, what's up, Sergio? What are you doing? I mean, how are you doing? Let me give you the link here. I sent you the link to the stream. Multitone. What is multitone? Bro, can you explain me multitone?
Video is unavailable.
What? Video is unavailable. What? Let me give you another link then. I think that was the first one. Let's delete this. And also let's where's my links? Delete this. and add this. Okay, now it should work. And where were we? Oh, right. So we were calling from the event bus that I think I'm hearing my sound somehow. Yeah, here if I am select a producer, this is going to in the event bar is going to tell me that you are selecting a producer, so we can update the UI here. So let's I think I also have a obstacle manager somewhere where I am selecting the obstacle or not. I guess not. So let's just call it here that event bus dot is obstacle removable obstacle deselected. Oh fuck, somehow it requires the obstacle, but I don't have it. So from where am I calling the function? This is my removable obstacle, event obstacle selected, and this is where I'm obstacle manager. I'm calling obstacle manager and sorry. So if I'm deselecting the obstacles from here, this is a singleton, so I can easily do it from the game manager as well, but I don't think that would be a good idea. But yeah, like I said before, first let's make the game work, and then I'll think about clean code. Okay, so let's do obstacle manager dot instance dot deselect obstacle. Okay, it should work. So if I play now, okay, let's raise this chicken very quick, and let's add a chicken here. So if I press obstacle, our UI updates. If I press chicken, our UI updates as well. Very good. It was, let's say, quick fix. And the button's not working. Oh, the button's not working because I don't have any money. Oof, I'm going crazy. Okay, so this was a good fix. Let's say clearing obstacles. What can I do now? I have a lot of bugs here, but some of them are feature. So visible, like I'll do this later. Let's put it here. Things I'll do later. Let's give it a icon like pistol. Should do. Sniper cat sound should awake nearby 100 cats. This is important, but I think this one I should. This one. And okay, so for Shrestha, I'll show him the issue again if we're seeing this. So let's go to the sandbox real quick. So if you add a chicken from the UI, if you add a chicken from the UI, it aligns properly. But if you chicken from the world, it has an issue with collider, and if you put it and it doesn't like sits in the row, it puts randomly. And when you add another chicken, then it gets fixed, which is not what we want. And if I drag the chicken from the UI and put it here, it gets pushed away. But if I try to grab it from the world, I cannot get it over the coop. What if we have another, oh my god, let's remove this one. What if we have another coop here and you want to drag it to here? You can't, which is a bad feature. You don't want to drag it from here to here, so we want to fix that. So let's end the game. And I have no idea how I implemented this. I did this in like many days ago, 1 or 2 months ago, so I forgot how I created this feature in this obstacle. I mean, not obstacle, this collider thing, but let's try. In the prefab, we will open chicken and our chicken object. This says unproduce. If it's in coop, then it won't produce any egg. If it's mature, if it's click auto. Okay, so I think every logic of pushing away is in the coop itself. It should be, because it don't have any other scripts here. So let's go to the coop. I kind of named it pen, but I realized it later that it's actually a coop. It's called coop, not pen. Chicken coop. Okay, so
I gotta go, bro.
yeah, man.
See you later.
Thanks for the view.
And it was a great time. Bye.
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 Click squish emitter. Yeah, this is here, the S pen. So it should be here. Reorder chicken. Here is how you're reordering the chicken. So why is it not reordering when we're dragging it from the world? It should work. Add item. There we go. It's getting pushed away when it's not in the UI, so bit confusing. Anything else? Sell chicken, produce egg, sell chicken, on trigger enter. This is what you want to look at. On click handle, auto click. Okay, so in on trigger enter, if it has a chicken component, then we add it. And if it has clicker, then we register it to clicker. Makes sense. And if it exits on trigger exit, remove from chicken. Cool. And we are not unregistering if it's not a clicker. It's a bug that we missed. Let's go. Good thing we noticed it. And we're going to do var clicker is equal to get the clicker component and clicker.unregistered.base. Good job, Niti, good job. But why we are blocking the chickens from the world, that I'm not sure yet. So collider, if it's a chicken, then add the chicken. Add item here. Let's go. Let's debug.log, adding item, and let's see how do we get from the log. Let's put it the console. I hope you can see the log here. And instead of play maximized, play focused, and give it a play. Let's go to sandbox real quick, and here's our chicken, here's our coop. If I put the coop here it says adding item. Okay, let's clear this. But when I add this, whoa, and then drag, there's no log of adding, right? Oh, there is one. So wow, and yep, there is one called adding item. So we are adding it. Let's fill this up, clear this up. Let's get a chicken out here, and yes, it's adding but then pushing it away. Why? The pen is full and it's pushing it away. Okay, so let's go to our code, and we have a log here pushing it away. Pen is full, pushing it away. So here we are pushing away the chicken. Oopsie, my mic is falling off. Okay, so here we are pushing the chicken. So here, adding item, and if it's over the capacity, we are pushing it away. And we're pushing it away. Vector 3, we have a target position. That's good. We have the Y coordinate, and we get the arc animator. It's this seems okay here. I think the issue is just when we drag the chicken, it's entering the collider and it's causing it to throw away. So I think I understood the issue here. Look, the material's not changing anymore. Weird. I will fix that as well, but not just now. Let's put it in our note here that add visual feedback for selecting, deselecting range. Why is it reloading? I have no clue. Let's just close this. Okay, and the issue will be in our drag and drop script. So in our prefab we have our chicken here, and we have a script called drag and drop. What it essentially do is it allows your chicken to click and drag it around. So what we need to do is when we are dragging it, make it like a ghost so that it doesn't the coop don't register it as a chicken when we are hovering it. Okay, so that should fix it. And oh my god, I think I used AI to write this code, so this will be difficult to fix. This is how Vibe code fucks with you. But let's go. We have an iClickable implementation on click, and yeah. So if I go to my play mode again, is it on click or is it on hold? So if I, my bad, go sandbox, let's zoom it in. It says clicked on chicken, not says it started dragging. So when, yep, started drag, this is where we need to disable our box collider. I think this should fix it, but this should also introduce the bug where you can put objects on each other. Like right now I can't do that, but later I might be able to do that. I'm not sure. Let's see what I did. I forgot what I did, so let's try. On drag start is here. Where's our log that said drag started? Okay, started drag. And if I can drag and return, go. So we have a box collider. We are not sure every object will have a box collider, so this is interesting. What should I do? What I should do is come on, man. Can I say words? Fuck. No worries. I'll go and create a reference here. Okay. No. Oh yeah, this one. After the create settings, I'll just add collider settings. Let's say serialized field, right? Then say private collider call. Let's go. I think collider is what we are looking for. I hope it is. So let's see. So yeah, I can't see it here. Weird. So we have an awake method, so we can do, oh wait, we already have a collider here. Dude, we already have one. And what we're doing with it, let's see. We are checking, oh, everything. This will include our chickens. We're checking for the overlapping objects, and we are avoiding our own collider. So on drag start, can we say, let's say after this, collider dot enabled is equal to false. and on drag end, on drag end, if we aren't dragging, we don't run the logic. Okay, so on drag end, we enable the collider again. This will indeed create some issues with detecting the obstacles, but I think we'll fix that as well. I'm thinking how I can fix that. I know this will cause an issue because I have a feeling I have worked with this before. So let's give it a try again. Let's give it a play. And let's go to the sandbox here. I have a chicken. Let's put 2 chicken here. Let's raise the chickens real quick. Okay, and this one as well. Okay, let's put a coop. Okay, it's the issue is oh, the issue is it's not changing its color to show the user that hey, you cannot put the chicken here. That's the issue is. And if we put chicken now, let's pull it up, and you see, okay, this works. This kinda don't work because I wanted to push it away here, not like go back to where you were before. How we can do that, and why is it not pushing it away? That's also my question. Let's see, if I go here and release this, we have the end drag here. Ah, the fox stole my chicken. I'm kind of sleepy though. So let's go here again. If drag, and where's my here is my end drag. Okay, so sheet body, kinematic, original rotation, original position. This is where the magic is happening, right? So is valid placement final pass is equal to drag target position. What's target position here? Where is this being updated? I don't know. Okay, drag target position. Okay, drag target on drag start is the initial position we had. That is our drag current position. And on drag end, what? Final position is drag target position. What? Check place validity, and invalidity is valid placement default. Okay, we shoot array. Good, we are shooting array to see if it's a valid position, and if it's not, then it is true, and if it's not, has collision is valid, placement is the false. It's a void. Why? What does it do? This collision, check palette placement. Interesting. So what I think I should put it here just before ending. Let God have mercy on my chickens now. Let's go to the sandbox real quick. And let's put the pane here. Put the chicken. Let's put the chicken. Let's see if I can put a chicken on top of it. I cannot. Oh, I think I also fixed the alignment issue here. Good. And let's see. Allah Barosha. Yeah, let's go. Let's fucking go. Yep. But the issue is I cannot put it on above the chicken. That's weird. Huh. That's weird. It's probably because it's detecting the how do I say it? It's detecting the chicken before the what is it called? Before the coop, it's detecting the chicken here. We cannot just disable the colliders of the chickens when they are in the coop. That would cause no detection, and that would cause like not clicking the chickens here. And clicking the chickens here doesn't make any sense as well. No, it actually does, because I want to drag it back. So what can we do actually? Let's see. So in our chicken prefab, let's go to our prefab here. You know what? I'll just leave it like that. If I hear any complaints from any player, bro, why can't I just put it in here? I'll fix that. But currently I think it's good enough. That's just me being very lazy. It's showing me. Oh wait, is there anyone viewing this right now? I can't tell. If you're watching this, leave a comment or chat or an emoji, whatever, so that I know someone's watching and I can converse with you. Oh, all I just need to do is go to my game and I think it's fixed. So let's update our to do here. Dragging chicken from world causes wrongful push away. We fixed that as well. Well done, well done. Add visual elements to let people know that it's sleeping. It's not going to be it's going to be cats sleeping. Cat with 20 and sniper cats. Siren should wake up nearby cats. Okay. Make hunter cat clickable, and clicking hunter cat should wake it up. I will do this later one. SFX is a big issue that requires a lot of time, so I will do that in later time as well. What else can we fix today? What else is there? I think this will take a bit time. I need to learn how particle works, so I'll do it later, but not like very later. So this one, I should work on this one. Make the hunter cat clickable, and clicking hunter cat should wake it up. So let's go to our prefab here, and let's get, we're giving it so many names: hunter cat, samurai cat, but it's actually guard cat. But inside guard cat it says buyer cat. It has evolved so much, the cat evolution. Let's call it guard cat. GUARD, guard cat. Okay. And our guard cat should have a script. Yes, sir. And let's give it a click squish animator. And in our guard cat script, oh, we already have a click squish animator slot. How adorable. And we're going to put it here, and if we click now, it should work. Let's go to the sandbox. Let's buy ourselves a guard cat, and boom. Oh, it's not working. No worries, no worries. We're gonna, is it clickable though? Is guard cat clickable? It is clickable, so it should be. On click handle. Okay, and are we using this anywhere? We are not. And it should give us a warning that it's not being used, but it's not. That's weird. I think Rider is losing its caveat, or what's the word? Okay, so let's say animator.animate or what? Squish, play squish. Okay, I should do a just animator play so that it doesn't make really any confusions anymore. Okay. Okay, let's play again. Go to the sandbox, get the animator here, and boom, it's working. So now it's going to scare any fox when I press a button click here. I'm going to have some coleslaw. Okay. It was super random to show you the coleslaw, but I like coleslaw. Okay, so sleep amount. When it's sleeping and when it's carrying the fox, we need to fix that. Okay, so this one's scare cooldown. Huh. So whoa, there's a huge delay in my stream. Like huge delay in my stream. Or am I like, did I lag behind? Oh, sorry, no, it's all right. I thought there's a huge delay, but I think it's all right. Okay, so this is where it's working, right? Scare foxes, this is where it goes in the production, I mean on produce, that runs on every update. Whoopsie. So instead of return here, we will just give it a give it a particle effects that ZZZ or something popping up from here, indicating that the fox is sleeping. So for now, let's give it a debug log, debug.log here, and let's say sleeping, and then we return. And if it's not sleeping, we are going to do another debug log, not destroy, sir. It's debug.log. We're not sleeping. Let's kill. Okay. And what is our producer interval that I forgot to check? I need to see that as well. So if we go to the game, let's zoom in. Oh, I forgot to hit the play button, my bad. So go to sandbox, get the guard cat, and in our console if we click kill, right? this is good. Kill. Okay, why it's still killing and not going to the sleeping phase yet? Oh my god, it's still killing, my god. Oh, it went to sleep and I woke up. I woke him up. Sorry, cat. Keep killing and let me know when you sleep. I don't think you can see the log here, so it's keep killing. I don't know why. If I click, then it goes to sleep. Then it goes back to killing again. It's opposite of what I want, so let's check it out. Let me finish this call slow real quick. Okay, so this is not my issue. Okay, this is my issue. I'm trying to understand what I did here because I forgot what I did here. So on click, I scare the fox, and when I click scare the fox, if current time is last scare time, what's the last scare time? We did not initialize what's the last scare time is, so how is it going to know what's the last scare time is? This is so dumb. And interesting. So I think this thing is wrong. If we exceeded the time of our last scare time, then we should go to sleep. So this is what it should happen. And let's play again. Go to sandbox, get our okay, sleeping. At some point it should wake up and he goes like kill or something. Oh, it's not. Damn. And it's keep sleeping. This is bad. So it's sleeping. Let's go awake or no, start. But where's my start method? Like the Unity start method. I can't find that. Override protected start. Is this how you do it? No. Fix the modifiers. Okay. And here we go. Last scare time is equal to time.time. Like right now, right after spawning or creating me, I am giving a scare. and then I'll be scaring people for some times, and scare cooldown is only 1, so it's like I am scaring for 1 second. What? Let's give it 3. I don't know what I did here. I don't know. So let's give it a play. Oh, it's already playing, but we should give it a restart because we did a change in our code and it's not hot reload. We go to our sandbox, get the cat here, and it should start scaring, but it's not scaring. Oh, here. It's sleeping. It's going to sleep indefinitely. Which... let's give it a... what? In UI manager, reference not set to an instance of an object. Are you kidding me? Where did this error came from? Where did this error came from? Price to sell the to string. So you are telling me that this cat don't have a price to sale tag? Producer.price to sell the to string. So my guard cat don't have a price to sell or something like that, but it's from producer. It should have the price to sell there. Producer. So why my guard cat don't have that? Why? Oh, because base.start. Yep, because we didn't we overrided, but we did not call the base function, so stupid of me. So let's try again. Let's go to our sandbox, go to our, get our cat, and boom, it's kill. Okay, and it's sleeping again, and we go, oh, what? Why are you not going kill again? Why? Bakamitai. Your whole script is broken. Your whole logic is broken. You are broken. Let me think. So let's just forget about this, okay? Let's forget about this. And scare cooldown, okay. This one, let's forget about you as well. And last scare time, let's forget about you as well. What it should do is, it should go away. It should now scare the foxes on every production interval. And before checking the production interval here, let's go here, and the production interval is 2 seconds. Damn, that's, you are going to scare foxes and stuff after 2 seconds. That's a bit harsh. Let's make it 1 second. And go. let's go to our sandbox here and get a cat, and it's killing. It's waited for, I think, maturity first. You see, I will remove the maturity as well. So it's killing. After 1 second, it's killing. In that 1 second window, if that fox runs away, that would be very unfortunate. It's doing so. Let's time to mature to 0, and let's give it a spin once again. Let's go to our sandbox here and let's get the, okay, kill. Oh my god, where I don't know. I don't know where this came from. Try throw editor object. Your script should either check if it is null or it should not destroy the object. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. So let's keep going. So it's going to kill. Kill. So let's give the interval to let's say 10 seconds. This is our sleep time. I mean, our cat's sleep time. And let's give what to do. So on produce, it scares the fox. Every 10 seconds it wakes up and pulls up a stunt and he goes to sleep again. How do I do that? So this is what I did last time, but I didn't think that's a good idea. Kill a fox every 2 seconds. So let's do serialize field private, not layer mask. Let's do float and say scare interval, or let's say awake time. So the cat is going to be awake after a time. So awake time after, or let's name it properly. Time takes to awake. And what it will do is that, stupid. I think I'm stupid. I think I'm very stupid. So let's say sleep time. Let's give it 10 seconds. So it's going to be F. Okay. So for 10 seconds, our cat is going to be asleep. And after 10 seconds, it will be awake for a moment. So let's say serialize field private float awake time. Awake time. That is going to be, let's say, 3 seconds. 3 seconds is not bad, okay? So this is our scare fox. What we can do now is we can call the update. Let's do late update. Yeah, I don't know what late update do. I mean, I forgot. Late update is called every frame if the behavior is enabled. And what's fixed update? Fixed update for physics calculation. Late update should be called after every update. That I'm not sure. Let's check. Let me just check the difference between update and fixed update. Update versus fixed update versus late update. The primary update functions they differ in. Okay, so update is called once per frame, and late update is called once per frame after all update functions have finished executing. This is good. I want it to be lightweight, so I think I'll give this function to ChatGPT and ask it to make it and also optimize it, because I think I'm ruining this class. So I'll give it to Gemini. Let's give it the code here. Also, let's give it the producer so it understand the context here. So I'm not proud of this, but should get all the help I get. Good cat. And I think iClickable has just one click, so that's not an issue. Okay, so let's give him the prompt. I want the cat have the mechanism of sleep and awake. It should sleep for a while, then wake up scare fox for a while, then go to sleep again. I want this to be not heavy or process hungry. So suggest what I should do. Given that there could be multiple instances of guard cat in a scene. Oof. Let's bring the chat here so that you can see. Although I think there's no one, but it is what it is. To create a sleep and wake cycle that remains highly performant even with multiple blah blah blah, we need to avoid using the Why am I hearing my own voice suddenly? I don't know, like, is it from the music? Weird. It's not my voice, but it feels like someone's talking in the background. Oh, yeah, I am seeing my own stream, my bad. I'm cutting this, so. Okay. I was like, whoa, who's talking in the background? And okay, so what he did is coroutines with cached waits. Coroutines are perfect for state missions like sleepback because they essentially pause execution without eating the CPU cycles. Caching wait for second prevents the garbage character from causing lag spikes. Okay. Physics that overlap sphere non-unlock the standard or create an honor in memory that what time it fares, which is notoriously heavy if multiple cats are doing it. Non-unlock uses pre-existing array, taking the memory footprint to 0. This is your updated class. Okay. Why this works so well for your game? Pulsed Scary, instead of checking for foxes every single frame, while awake, the guard routine pulses the scare fox method every 0.5 seconds. This gives the exact same gameplay feel but saves massive amount of processing power. And memory friendly by defining fox colliders once at the top right, so what the existing array instead of generating a new one. If you have 20 cats in your scene, you just prevented hundreds of arrows from being created and destroyed every second. But I don't think there will be 20. I think there will be 200. I really hope it doesn't go to 100, but I think there's a chance there will be like a lot of cats, unless I make them super expensive. There will be a lot of cats because I saw one of my friends play the game and he bought a lot of cat there. He actually bought cats and made a wall around the coop so that no cats can get in. That's super weird. So I think there's this game, I have to wrap it up real quick, you know, so that it doesn't break, or I have to go ECS dot dot ECS. I don't know what is it called. Unity dots, right? Unity dots. I don't want to do dot programming, but this is getting scary, you know. How about the cat always sleeps and it wakes up for 10 seconds only when you click it? Yep, this is a good thing. I think this is a good thing. Let's change it so that the cat always sleeps, wakes up only when clicked, and scares enemies for few seconds. Yeah, I am restricting the player's movement so it doesn't break so easily. Someone has opened and left my stream because I can see one concurrent viewers, but I don't know who. But it's 12:10, and I appreciate for you to being here. I would also appreciate if you leave a comment so that I can thank you more personally. Oh, okay, so it gave us a new approach. Okay, this is game design change, making the player clearly turns it into an engaging interactive mechanic rather than just passive defense start. Okay, to achieve this performantly, you will keep the non-left automation completely change how the algorithm works. Instead of infinite loop, the algorithm only trigger on a click. Keep the cat awake for a specified duration, pulse scare mechanic, and then automatically put the cat back to sleep. Okay, I think this is much simpler, and this I think much optimized because it won't check for colliders every frame or every 0.5 seconds. This is, I think it's better this way. So let's be a little bitch and copy all the code here. Sugar cat here. Let's copy this, and I don't want to mess up the code, so where's my Gemini again? Here. I'll copy it whole and I'll paste it whole as well. Control V. And it broke down. Why? Partial that because it has one click handle and stuff in this class. Oh my god. Is it because of that? Where's my... Oh, I pasted it on the wrong file. My bad bro. And let's paste it, and I think it works. Okay, so we have guard radius, we have the layer, good, damage given. For now we're not giving any damage, we're just carrying the foxes, but later we'll try to kill it. Okay, and we have awake time, scare, pulse rate. This 0.5 is pretty good. Animations, okay, collider, pulse rate, and awake and pulse. Okay, And on start, pulse await is equal to new wait for seconds. So let's see what this does. What this does. So, oh, cache the wait time to avoid garbage collection spikes. What? I don't know what it does, but okay, let's skip it. Only wake up if producer has fully matured. Matured. Okay, return. We don't need this, but sure, if it's wanna do it, so let's skip it. Click squish animator, play squish and return. Is wake coroutine, stop coroutine. Wake coroutine is equal to start coroutine. Oh, if a coroutine is already running, then we will stop it and we will restart it. That's what's happening here. And let's see our wake and scare coroutine. It wakes up, is wake is true. Play a wake up animation or sound here. Okay. I got you, bro. You have a nice little log here. Good. Float. Okay. While time to wake is less than awake time. Scare fox will return and nice. And finally we go to sleep. Yeah, we need the particle effects here, right? And went back to sleep. Good job. And the scare fox is oh, we're not doing on produce anymore because we don't need it. We're using the coroutine here, which is nice, and we're scaring the fox here, and on click is on click handle. And I think I have a good faith in this code, so if I go to Unity and let's check it out. Let's give it a play. Let's zoom in, and before zoom in, let's go to sandbox. Let's zoom in and boom. Come on, boy. Scared the went back to sleep. Okay, so it went back to sleep, and when I click again, it wakes up. It's scaring the foxes, and it went back to sleep. Let's I think it's sleeping too fast. Let's say, can we increase its wake time? Let's, instead of 3 seconds, let's give it 5, and let's play again. And sandbox here. Let's keep you here. You are awake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Okay, went back to sleep. Nice. And good job. And just realized this one doesn't follow grid. Oh wait, it follows the grid. Cool. It woke up and it's scaring off the foxes. Let's put some chicken here and see if they work correctly. If a fox comes, we're going to click the chicken and let's see if it scares off the foxes. I hope my voice is alright. I'm not sure if it's alright or not, but I have a crazy setup. Really crazy setup. You guys might get scared. Like, stop seeing my setup here. Unless I get a boom arm, I'm doing a very hacky way to. Why there's no fox yet? Okay, we already got the eggs. And the rate of getting eggs is okay. Not bad, not bad. Come on. Oh, here comes the fox, and if I click, yes, the fox gets scared. This is what he want. This is what he want. And that's the end to that. And let's check this out. I mean, check out our to-do list. Check out this to-do. Check out or cross out. That's cross out. Cross out the to-do. So, yep, this one. We have a design. We did a design change, but this is. I think it's better than before. So what we should do now is sniper cat siren should wake up nearby 100 cats. This is important, very important. So what we are going to do is we're going to do two prefab, and we're looking for lookout cat, which is later renamed to sniper cat. Very creative, being very creative here, and I'm getting sleepy after doing the programming. And where we were, okay, in the sniper cat, if we have a, let's say, cat lookout radius 5, and let's say serialized field and private float, cat card radius. Okay, let's give it 3 instead of 5. And warn. Okay, so this dot play, audio source dot play, very nice. You did a great job playing. Okay. Oh, so unproduced scan. In scan, oh my god, this is this is scanning for fox every second. Oh my god, this is too much. I will make the scanning cat expensive, so it's computationally expensive, okay, but I'll also make it expensive to buy so player don't spam the cat here. So let's hope for the best. Or if there was some way, there's some way I can. No. Let's just keep it this way. Let's keep it this way. Let's keep it this way. And when we are warning, how long is the clip? I need to know how long is the clip. We'll keep the cat awake as long as the clip is playing. So the audio source here is what? Okay, nuclear siren here. And how long is it? How do I know how long is it? It's not tell it. Is it 11 seconds? What? Let's go show in Explorer, and geez, it's 11 seconds. Should I keep the chicken awake for 11 seconds though? Yeah, 11 seconds. 11 seconds it is. It's a bit too long though. No, it's just as long as the siren plays, the cat will be awake. So let's just keep it that way. And when we warn, damn, we're like doing overlap sphere like that. Damn. Instead of this, may I create a trigger enter? Will that be good? I don't know. I need to ask someone, but before that, let's do a method called private void wake up nearby cats, and let's do oof, wake up nearby cats, and yep. And now we also we need to do this again. Jesus Christ. Nearby cats. Let's copy this. Calculators. Instead of predators, it's going to be guards. GUARDS. Overlap sphere. Use non-alloc. Okay, sphere non-alloc. And whoa. Sphere non-alloc. Why? And if I do non-alloc, it returns me what? It returns me an integer. Why? Oh, it returns me a result. Huh. So let's create a, my bad. Let's create a my bad. Guard cat, what we did for you for the collider. Okay, collider, box colliders, and new. So we are taking max 10. We can also have a variable for this. So let's have an array of collider as lookout. So collider, let's make you private collider, and let's say card cat colliders, no collider. Okay, and here I think what we need to do is this. Let's see. It returns an integer, probably the number of colliders it detected. I'm not sure, but we have the results here, and for each guard colliders, for guard collider, we're going to do wait, what the hell? Is it not going to look for any layer or something? Predator layer. I need to check this out real quick. Analog. Hey, here you go. Layer mask. It takes a layer mask though. Physics overlap non-analog, and it takes a layer mask here. The results, and it takes a layer mask, and information. I could just look at here though. I could look at here. And why is the screen? No, I will not keep you read only. Let me see. Okay, then we gotta add the fox layer, but issue is my cats aren't in guard layers. That's the issue here. So what can we do? Warn the cat. Warn the cat, 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 warn the cat. Yeah, you know what? I don't know what layer mask, right? So the issue is I'll be getting the chicks also in the collider and the spear projection, so I'm gonna ask ChatGPT as well again. So let's go here, copy this, and let's ask Gemini. I want to get the nearby guard cats and warn them or awake them when look out, cat plays siren. Also, how can I optimize this class? Let's see what Gemini suggests. I'm out of my weight here. Okay, so to optimize cat, we will add a cat layer so the physics engines only checks for the coils on the layer where your cats reside, which is much faster than checking every object in the scene. Okay, this is we need to make a layer. Fuck. Will it be an issue if I put the layer in a different, put the cat in the different layer? I am not aware of that, so we gotta do that. We're going on the correct, what do I say, correct way. We're going to the correct implementation. We need the cat layer. Let's get a layer. We need a cat layer here. Predator layer, okay. Cat layer. And okay, what are the changes it did? You know what? I will copy this shit. I'll just copy this shit like a little bitch and paste it here. Oopsie. We'll add this. We'll add this. So this is the only issue, right? The wake up. Okay, so in guard cat, we're going to do I think there's supposed to be a function called awake, right? No. Let's see. Let's add this then. Super easy. Awake. Do we have it? No. We gotta add a public method for awake. Let's go and let's just add it here. Awake. And in our game engine, we're going to our prefab layer. So I mean prefab. Let's go to my prefab here and select my guard cat, and in layer it's collectible. We have to add another layer, and let's say it's guard layer, GARD, guard. And again, go to prefab, guard layer, and select guard. Yes, and also change the children. And let's see. Oh, we have to go to this cat, and in predator layer we're gonna oh, in cat layer we're gonna do guard. And in guard, in our wake method, let's give it a go routine here that wake up and wake and scare. Okay, woke up. I think this part is enough for the lookout cat to work. So let's go to our here. Let's go here and play. And go to sandbox. We get our guard cat here. We get our chickens here. Let's get multiple guards here, and also our sniper here. So we should see multiple. Whoa, yeah. And now our guard's not clickable. I know how to fix that though. I strongly believe I know how to fix that. It's probably in UI manager, and there should be a layer option. Which objects are clickable? I think there's input panel. Okay, so interactable layer. We're gonna do add guard here, and please let this work. Okay, so looks like it's okay. So go to sandbox, we add 2, 3 guard layer, and we add 1 sniper cat here, and let's add some chicken. So when the fox comes, oh my god, it's not interactable. Why is it not interactable? Please. I don't know. I now need to make it interactable, but it should be interactable when oh, it's not interactable in sandbox because it's a different instance. I'm pretty sure because it's a different instance, and yep. Let's And there we go. Yay. Let's clear this up. And soon there will be a fox. I think soon there will be a fox. Come on. I'm waiting for the fox, and that'll be it for today, I think. Clear. And yep. Yep. See, they were all awake, and the fox couldn't get it. We this is amazing. We did it, boys. We did it. Oh wait, it also saved. Oh no, it is saved in our sample scene. So give it a save. Let's go to our scene folder here and go to our sandbox. And in sandbox, in canvas, we have input panel, and we're going to add the card as an interactable layer, and that's it. So if I open our to-do, and our sniper cat siren should wake up nearby 100 cats, and we've done it. We have done it. Can we get a clap? Thank you, thank you, thank you. There's one viewer. It's saying there's a viewer, but I don't know who. Very weird. And if are you watching? Where? Oh, that's why there is a one concurrent viewer and there's no. Aha, I guess this is why. So let's end our stream today. We did well. We defined our goals, and we actually completed half of the to-dos we had. And on the next time, we are going to add visual elements for the sleeping cats. We were going to create a firecracker model for the firecrackers. Also make icons for the games and visual feedback for the this is kind of different from the others, so maybe I will add this later. I will do this later. These are more art heavy that we will be doing tomorrow. So thank you for joining me today, and hopefully see you tomorrow. And the average view duration is 18 minutes. That's bad. I might say that's bad, but it's okay. Goodbye. I said goodbye, but I don't know how to stop the stream. I think